guys, so I'm at the Nintendo World and I want to show you Super Mario Land. I'm so excited. Yeah, I can't believe we're here. Let's go and discover this beautiful place. So we're coming to the single rider area, but what's happened is I think you're gonna miss a lot of decorations. So I think we're gonna do it again. But Rich is already here, so I don't know why he do single rider. He's gonna miss all the decorations. I don't think he cares. So okay. So this is the single rider walkway. Look at this. Wow, that is huge. Huge. And you can see the wall around here. Wow, look at this. So we continue. See, when you do single rider, you miss out all the decoration, decor, but that's okay. We can try it here. I'm ready. So single rider is faster, but I'm missing out all the detail. Okay, I want to do a standby line. There's a VIP experience. You can go up. Look at all this. Wow, this is so cool. So pretty. I feel I'm walking to a video game here. This is super amazing. Whoa, what is this here? This is amazing. Wow, and you know what? There's really nobody here. So I can literally do my video right here. Wow, look at this. Okay, wow, just check this out. Just go up, follow the process, right? This is so cool. Oh my God, this is so amazing. Totally amazing. Whoa, what is that? Let's go into the tunnel. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't explain to you how cool is this. So I think we're gonna come outside. So you get to see the outside world. You can see it here. Whoa, look at this. This is crazy good. Different tunnel you can go through. Wow. Amazing. Wow, check out this hallway. Oh my God, this is so cute. Whoa. it. This is so cool. Oh, go ahead. So cool. Oh, the thrones. Oh, I need this in my house. Wow. There's so much to take in right here. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. That's a little layout for the game. Love this so much. All this. Whoa. The lava stones on the top. One up. Here. Just one? Okay. How many? So I guess this is your pre-show. 3, 2, 1. Look at the uniform here. Oh, so cute. Super adorable. Wow. Look at this room right here. This is the pre-show room. And then we're coming to the area to get our Mario hat. Yay. Thank you. It's actually pretty easy to use this. Now right here you turn, it will tie the hat on you. So it's pretty easy to use. Whoa, just like that. Alright, I'm ready to go on the Mario Kart now. This will be my second time. So cool, I love it.